Carterita Gucci nunca, nunca falla, yeah. Te quiero conocer. Tell me what's your name.
Hi guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I put all my Boxycharm goodies from this month to the test to complete this look. So if you are interested on how I got this look and which goodies I use in my opinion on them, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so all of my base makeup is already on. I did just something just like real basic for now since we're gonna really be playing around with everything. So the first thing we are going to start with is the eyes. The first shade I am going to be going in with is Perfect. And I am going to use one of the brushes that it came with. I'm gonna use this, it says step 1 for the money. So I am just going to dip into that and I'm gonna put that all over my eye. And we're going to put these to the test and see how they are. I'm going to use that literally all over as a base. Let's see here. So far it's really nice. Nothing too crazy yet. I am going to next go in with Naked, which is this color right here, and I am going to use my Royal and Langnickel crease brush. Step that, ooh. Okay, so be gentle with these because there is fallout. But normally fallout means they will blend lovely, so let's try that. Unless it's a subculture palette and all that means is run, because no one needs to be dealing with that kind of bullshit. Okay. So it does blend really nice. It's like a orange sherbet, light orange color. I really like that. Then let's see here. Trying to think, I'm going to put Belle, which is the color directly next to it right here. Also in the crease using the same brush just to deepen that up a little bit. My idea is we're going to do kind of like an orangey smoky eye and use a blue inner corner moment, so something very different, but I think it'll be fun. Okay, let's see here. Now I am going to use my ColourPop little fluffer brush and I am going to just put Naked underneath my eye to blend that out. I just like to do that because then I repeat the steps, and then we're going to put Belle on the outer corner as well. Something more like that. And then we are going to, I wish there was more of like a matte, deeper brown color other than this one, because this one I think is going to be a little dark, but you know what, we need to deepen it up a little bit, so I'm just going to do just a tad and kind of kick it off and focus it more on the outer corner just to deepen it a little bit. That wasn't too bad. No, that wasn't too bad. So I was like, oh. So the only thing this is missing is, now that I look at this more, I wish there was like a more of a medium brown color, but this is actually deepening up the crease pretty good, so that's cool. So we're gonna go in like that. So far we've got just like this kind of orangey toned smoky eye. Let's see, I am going to use the little packer, the step 1 brush. I am going to wet it and use it. I'm going to just wet it with my ColourPop Rose Quartz spray because that's what's right here. You can wet it with anything. You can even wet it with water. Like, it doesn't really matter. And I am going to just, because I just want to play around and just see how these colors work. So we're going to go into Charmer right here. And normally with metallic colors, I like to use them wet because I just feel like they pop a lot more. I'm just going to put this all over my lid just to give it a little bit of like a sparkle. Just packing it on there. And the brush is still pretty wet, so I can just go flip it over and go in on right on the other eye. Just packing it all in there. So right now we're at this point. And they are going on really nicely so far. I am going to go back in with my ColourPop little fluff brush and just deepen that orange color one more time with Nikki, because I feel like that orange got lost a little bit. And I do want that to shine through because it'll look really pretty, I think, with that blue inner corner moment that I'm thinking of. There we go. So then we have a little bit more of that orange back. And then I am going to take, let's see here. I'm trying to look at the other brushes that they gave me, and I have like this little guy and I have this one. So I want to try to use this one to see if I can build an inner corner from it. We shall see right now. So we are going in with Mia, this blue color, which is super pigmented. No, this is going to be too big. So let me quickly grab a smaller brush and I'll be right back. Grabbed my Morphe G19 and I am going to grab that Mia color and we are going to pack it in the inner corner. And we're going to blend it right underneath the lower lash line, right there. And this one does have quite a bit of fallout. Quite a bit of fallout on my face right now, but that is nothing that we can't get off. I'm going to use one of my brushes to take it off before it sets. And do the same thing to the other eye. I like having fun with like little inner corner moments. And we will add lashes, of course, and everything else. And I feel like lashes pull everything together. Like you might be looking at a makeup look and be like, this girl is crazy. I'm like, I swear it'll be cute at the end. And just blending that outward. So you almost kind of like a half smoky kind of moment underneath there. And then I am going to go in with the Step 3 Go-Go Girl brush, the one that I was originally going to use for the blue. And I am going to take a little bit of Duet, which is that darker brown shade, and just buff it under the eye, connecting in that blue. So it kind of creates a little bit more of that smoky moment and just ties in the bottom portion of the eye. So a little bit more like that. And then I am going to go back in with the first brush and use Charmer to highlight the brow bone. And then let us now, I'm pretty good with the eye look. I just wanted to do like something kind of neutral but with that pop of color in the center. Now I am going to go in and curl my lashes so we can try out this mascara and see how she is. Now, if you guys watched my last video, you know that this mascara has some bold claims, so we're going to put her to the test right now. So, again, it says 200% thicker lashes, 314% increase in lash curl. So, okay, but I would love if that was a thing. So, I am going to go in and let's check this out. So, I'm going to apply it the way I would normally. Oh, it's a piece of hair. Go away, hair. Okay. I mean, it's pretty. So this is basically one coat. It's definitely pretty. I'm going to see if it's buildable. I mean, is it curling my lashes to the gods? No. But it is super pretty. Favorite mascara ever? Definitely not. Do I think it has all these claims? I mean, it's pretty, but is it going to replace my Lash Paradise? No. Is it going to replace Roller Lash? No. I just wish they wouldn't like put such bold claims on products unless they were like, oh my god, this is the greatest thing ever. Because you're putting this on your lashes and you're expecting greatness. And by all means, it's not terrible. Don't get me wrong. Like, this is a pretty mascara. Like, this is a great, like, everyday mascara. But based off of the claims, I was really expecting more. But I think this would be a good mascara that I will probably use to put my falsies on after with, because that's what I like to do is my mascara first, and then I put on my falsies and just kind of pinch them together. So next, we are going to dig into the blush. My face needs some color and I need some glow. I'm like dying. So I'm going to go in with my Royal and Langnickel blush brush. There we go. Now I have some color to my face and I don't look so crazy. Much better. And then for glow today, I am actually going to be going in with Glow Gone. Now this is not Boxycharm, but Boxycharm didn't give me a highlighter, and I have to glow to have a completed look. Glow and lashes, and I will show you the complete look in a minute. But this is their loose highlighter in Iris. This one is like a really cool like icy pink color, and I just think it would be super pretty. Because it's super blinding, and I feel like this look needs some blinding highlight right now. And I will definitely link them below as well because they have like the prettiest highlights. There we go. Okay guys, so I'm going to quickly put on my lashes and we're going to finish this look. Alrighty guys, and this is the finished look. So I added some glitter into my inner corner because I needed some extra sparkle, and I was the Eye Candy Cosmetics Blue Sugar, Ice Sugar, something like that. It's a light iridescent color so that it just gives it that extra little pop. And I added lashes, of course. I really like the way that it came together. I love an extra little pop of color in the inner corner. I just think it looks so fun. And my favorite thing, honestly, about this box is the Pretty Vulgar blush. I can see myself using this almost every day. The mascara was okay. I will definitely be using it to adhere my lashes together when I do my falsies. I don't know if I'll wear it on its own though. I do like my Lash Paradise so much better, and I feel like for the price point, I would suggest Lash Paradise, but this wasn't terrible. It just wasn't like, oh my god, this is amazing. And the palette is super cute. I'll definitely be using the palette again. The shadows blended really nice. There was a lot of kickback with the matte shadows, but they did blend really nice. So I'm okay with it. If there's gonna be a little bit of fallout, but you blend, I'm cool with it. And I'm sorry, but I keep turning. Can we have a moment for this highlight? I know it has nothing to do with this Boxycharm box, but if you haven't checked them out yet, please do. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus. So this is Glow God in Iris. I have had this for quite some time now, and it just is such a pretty highlight. I don't know why I haven't talked about it sooner, but I will definitely link them below if you want to check them out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm Try On. I will definitely be doing it every month. I will do a Boxycharm unboxing, then I'll try to follow it right back up with a try on video. Because I know some people just want to see what you got in the box, and then other people kind of want to see it put to the test. So I'll do one for both of you. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.